Welcome back, everyone. Today's video is about a trip to Nagaland during the monsoon season. So, if you love rain, travel, and exploring hidden beauty, stay with me till the end because Nagaland in monsoon is truly a different experience. So, let's begin the journey.
Hi. Hello. Miss Arjuna, look behind. Nang mahanglang kli. Tumembe. Hi. Good morning. Miss Eliza, the rules maker, the road guide, the guide for today.
Look at that flower blooming and it's drizzling here. इतना सुंदर जैसे कि स्नोफॉल लग रहा है. Hello everyone. Well, today is second Saturday, so along with my friends, we came here in Nagaland for some, freshening up our mind. And our first destination is here at Kohima War Cemetery, which is one of the most peaceful and historic places in India. This cemetery reminds us of the bravery and sacrifice the soldiers have made during the World War II. So as I explore around, you please join me, and along with my friends, I'll show you around as well. So be with all of my friends till the end of the video. See you! Guys, look here.
Hi.
Hey, video.
चलो जाएगा मिस.
Huh? Unfortunately, we came during the monsoon season, so it's raining, and yet it won't stop our interest and the fun, and we are yet to explore many other places as well. So you please join us, okay? Then also it won't stop our excitement, you know? Right, sister?
Taking photos, taking videos.
Hydrangea garden lang ganito, lagi Nagaland ng scoop. Kuhima ba na sa po? Kuhima dito lang siya, hydrangea garden lang. And then,
Ilang
kita
daw
siya
so dito marmi jang sa dinjek hang ulit lo. Sacrifice.
Amasi, hydrangea garden lang dati pan utang pame lo. Adim nang lero kan bang kay inong arlo nang lagi. Atong kanta
Arbele jang ta tap.
Nasi first time lo pinito kelo. Nang ito sa first time tayo. Rock chunjay pa may pen, king of fun pa may pen.
Arbele
Kami pangi lepe, long card trekking. Wala ano son la. Next time the hydrangea garden ang lang ma. So ano ne te pai lang ha bear. Ha bear te pai. Har look pik lang. Ah, tha sa char se. Har bi ki jang ma. Oh, garlu nai achak ding pik lang yo. ये भी मैं बोल लो चा होकर लोग लोग ना इतना आसान से पहुंचने वाली नहीं है हम वाइल्ड फ्लावर्स को भी दिखाती हूँ थोड़ा थोड़ा क्यूट क्यूट वाला कभी डायलॉग मारी नंगो साइको मोटर डेवलपमेंट है अनपार्ट को भी बाहर से ला आउट ऑफ सिलेबस हो बाहर overall development lah mungkin lah. Miss Kasringi, what about you? Look here. What kind of development are you getting? Holistic development or overall development? कितना थक गया हो. Oh yeah. इतना जल्दी मत सोच जल्दी से पहुंचने वाली नहीं है तुम अगेंगे देख तो हाइड्रेंजिया गार्डन तो लोग यो चलो लगा दे हाइड्रेंजिया गार्डन Welcome to Akilai Potato Farm Hydrangea Garden and Rhododendron Trail. Please keep the area clean. Ladak to do kay hydrangea garden na hulog wild garlic planted by the locals maybe आज तो बहुत development हो गया physical development mental development emotional development next time आना चाहोगी फिर से मिस कसरिंगी मिस अर्चना इधर देखो ना गाइस देखो इधर कौन ला हाँ first and last ला Kalilo, next time I'm actually not get PP development. इतना फिट हो गया ना आज इधर आके बहुत फिट हो गया सेकेंड टाइम आने के लिए जरूरत नहीं According to the tourist guide they said it will take around 20 minutes on foot and roundabout it will take 40 minutes both ways so I don't know when are we going to reach. Yeah, I would recommend for those trekking lover like those who love trekking and all this is best for them. It's not a cup of tea for me yet it's thrilling and exciting like what awaits us up there in the mountain. Here are some cabbage cultivated by the locals here. It's raining heavily as you can see. It's hindering us from climbing the hill and tiring at the same time. I don't know whether my energy is sufficient enough to reach up the hill or not. Even on a rainy day, we still have lots of visitors here. It looks like the place must be really fascinating to host many visitors even on a rainy day. See? Hello everyone!
Solo. Arlumisen ma.
There is no second time. If you want to know how the experience is, you may ask my other friends. This is my first and my last. I would say. Very tired. I don't know what awaits us, but then so far I'm not enjoying because I'm not a trekking person, you know. What about you?
I cannot even laugh. I don't know. I'm confusing what to do.
How's your experience? Do you enjoy the climb? Do you enjoy the climb?
अभी तो वहाँ पे देख के ना मेरा mood change हो सकता है, but
So you see, I think it's over 10 minutes already. We've been climbing, yet we have not reached the spot. And you know, the path is not easy to climb. There are lots of ups and downs.
for those
There is
who
no
are
stairs also.
very much
Like,
clean,
mm,
I would suggest that like me,
do not come.
please don't.
Don't
You
come.
can come, but you can take your own risk.
Your own risk. If they could have made appropriate stairs, it would be a help to those climbers as well. Now, you know, the stairs is not even, and visiting during rainy season is not commendable. Yeah, you can check our food also. See, look at their feet.
I enjoyed 50%.
50%.
Yeah, 50%. Since this is my first time here.
Acha hai, because it is on the positive note, the area is very green. It's greenery, you know. So those who love nature, those who love trekking, it's the best place to come, I must say. But for me, it's a personal opinion. I'm not a trekking person, so I do not enjoy much. Otherwise, if the weather was not like this, then we would be able to explore at least the beauty of nature. You know, I can't view anything, we can't see anything because you see outside, it's very misty. Is it worth the climb?
I don't know. My excitement is all over. I have used all my excitement right now, so I don't have any more excitement.
How is it, Miss Eliza? Is it worth the climb? No, आपके एक्सपेक्टेशन से कैसा लगा? Girls, please wait for us. You guys are so fast. Look here. Where are you all? This is our third destination. Girls, look behind. Where are we going? Side of Hornbill Festival. What was written there in the gate? Heritage Village. Feels like early in the morning, no? It's already 2 p.m. But because of the rain, you see, it looks so foggy, misty. Let's move to another. Son que la thịt lắm rồi đó. Có một cái tạc tại là số ở đông sư mà đừng sử dụng kiểu